It's a beautiful day, blissful viewers. I am Teddy, a vegan wellness coach from the Gaia Cattle Kingdom. Part of our feeling good is our consideration for other beings, such as the plant kingdom, as some of them can also feel pain like us. And to help us avoid unwittingly causing pain, I'm excited to introduce to you this new tip from beloved Supreme Master Ching, vegan. Hi, noble souls. Hope this note finds you in the best shape physically and spiritually, in God love. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The below are new additions to the no pain food list. Apricot, cardamom, leek, longan, lychee, paprika, red peach, white and pink or Japanese peach, piper lolot leaves or piper sarmentosum, purple plum, white plum, pomelo, sawtooth coriander, tangerine. Our immense gratitude to Compassionate Master for revealing more of the no-pain food, encouraging us to make more conscious choices in our diet for the sake of other beings' feelings. Lots of love to you all for being veg and going green to save the planet, for all humans and us all co-inhabitants alike.
World vegan, then we'll see no more war, no more hunger, no more pandemic, and no more disease. All will be happiness and joy only.